Copper ended in green in the month of May as China strike concerns in Escondido mine and good demand from China supported the prices, but tensions over US and China over tariff and rising inventories kept the upside. Copper can take support near 450 to 460 range, while upside will remain capped near 500. Moreover, labor settlement in Chile raised the prospects of a deal in top mine Escondida. Unionized workers at BHP Spencer copper mine in northern Chile agreed to a collective labor contract. China fixed asset investment growth cooled to 6.1% in January to May period from a year earlier, the slowest pace since February 1996. China retail sales in May expanded at slowest pace since January 2003. In case of nickel, nickel ended last month in green as prices got support from falling stockpiles, which are at the lowest since 2014, underlining a deficit in the metal used for stainless steel and fear of supply constraint on Nordic nickel. Nickel has surged 17% in 2018 with the market gripped by electric vehicle fever and buoyed by draw on exchange stocks. Higher prices are squeezing Chinese stainless steel margins. Nickel can move with upside bias as it can take support near 1000 and can head towards 1080 in the month of June. In case of lead and zinc, the battery metal lead ended higher in the month of May as good demand and supply constraints supported the global sentiment. Meanwhile, world refined lead metal demand exceeded supply by 37,000 tons during the first quarter of 2018. Over the same period, total reported stock level decreased by 26,000 tons. In the month of June, lead can take support near 160 while its upside will remain capped near 176 in MCX. Zinc prices ended the month of May in narrow range on mixed fundamentals. The global market for refined zinc metal was surplus by 25,000 tons over the first quarter of 2018, with the total reported inventories rising by 118,000 tons over the same period. In the month of June, zinc can trade sideways as the prices can take support near 208 while the upside will be capped near 225. And the last, aluminium. Recently, aluminium has witnessed a range-bound movement. China aluminium production in May rose by 1.5% to 2.79 million tons from a year earlier. In the first 5 months of the year, China produced 13.6 million tons, a rise of 1.4% from the same period last year. The US will begin levying tariff on imports of steel and aluminium from the EU, Canada, and Mexico in a move set to provoke retaliation and take the Trump administration further down the path of trade war with some of the US longest standing allies. Aluminium prices can move sideways and it can take support near 147 and its upside will be capped near 166 in MCX. China will ban new capacity of steel, coke and primary aluminium production in some areas including the Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei and Yangtze River Delta regions in the latest effort to improve the air quality.